Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today's topic is online business shipping tips.
So this is something that I used to know quite a bit about, and now I do not.
Yes.
Turn it over to Jess.
Yes, it's mostly my department now. Let's see here. We have talked about shipping before in the past. Some of the things that I will point out that perhaps I have not covered previously is that so in a lot of cases we use USPS, which is fine. They have like a maximum of 70 pounds, I believe, and they have a certain large package diameter. I can't remember it off the top of my head, but they also have limits there. As far as going for large packages, you're better off using either FedEx or UPS. I found their prices to be pretty much the same for the same type services like ground and such as that. Now they do have with UPS, we have a small business account where we get discounts. I think it's up to 33%. And so if you haven't yet looked into that, I do recommend that you look into their small business program. And they also write off some of the residential delivery fees and things like that. And
one thing I wanted to weigh in on shipping. Presentation of your shipping goods is one thing. Also, the security of those goods is another. So whatever you're doing, if you're shipping heavy ironwork, heavy ironware, you need to bite the bullet, bite the cost. Don't skimp. Right. Don't skimp. It will cause you hours upon hours of nightmares talking to somebody who doesn't care. So don't do that. Their customer service, any shipping service that you use, I don't care if I'm calling you all out. USPS, UPS, and FedEx, y'all suck. Period. Your customer service is horrible, and it always has been. You're too big of an entity, and that's why. So if you're on the receiving end of that, and the package of yours gets lost or damaged in the mail, it is a nightmare. Chances are you're never going to get the package back, and you're going to have to reforge that item. And in a lot of cases, free of charge, just to take care of your customer. So buyer beware on that. Don't skimp on your packaging.
Yeah, I was recently talking to a representative at the UPS company, and he gave a few specific tips. Realize that your package is going to be going down miles of conveyor belt here, so you really want it well secured. And he said to make sure you're using a new box. If you're reusing boxes or recycling them, there is a chance that the box integrity will be damaged, and there's a higher chance that the package won't survive the trip. Additionally, you want to make sure that the package is fully padded, the contents therein.
Yeah, so that's just skimming the surface of shipping tips. Let us know what you think down in the comment section if you'd like us to cover this topic more in detail in the next 3 Minutes at 3. Like always, thank you all for watching.
Thank you for joining us.
And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.